Hi, my name is Larry Powell, one of the team members here at BMW the Hudson Valley. I wanted to share with you some information about how your heat and AC system actually work. In your BMW, behind your dashboard, just forward of your console, there's a large housing. Within that housing, there are two main components of your heat and AC system. One is the heater core, and the other is the AC evaporator. Both are in this huge housing back here. When you call for heat, hot water comes through the engine into the heater core, a fan blows across it, and the air will be distributed through the vents as you request. Similarly, when the Freon is called, when the AC is called to run through, it comes through the evaporator, cold air is blown across it, and cold air comes out, all based on your selections of temperatures you'd like, and fan speeds, and what part of the dashboard. Chris, one of our technicians, is demonstrating the cleaning process. The vehicle he is working on is in fact my wife's 2023 BMW 330e. She brought to my attention the musty odor she began to smell when first turning on the heat or AC a few weeks ago. I did some homework on effective products and settled on Petro. Different BMW models call for different points of injection of the cleanser into the housing. This 330e requires the cabin microfilter and some ductwork under the passenger side of the dash to be removed to access a port that allows for the injection of the cleanser. After installation, the foaming agent is allowed to work for 15 to 20 minutes, and then the fan is run at low speeds and the cleanser agent drains out below the vehicle. My wife has been pleased with the results over the last week or so. Initially there was a nice citrus-like scent which dissipated within a few days of use, and there is no more musty smell. If you have a sensitive sense of smell or concerns of musty odors and the complications they may present for some individuals, I highly recommend this service. Please feel free to contact your service advisor if you have any questions or would like to schedule this service for your BMW today. Thank you for your time and have a great day.